everyone. This is Jim with Jim's Garage Toys. It seems like an appropriate day, being Thanksgiving today, to reach out and give thanks to everybody that has helped me and my channel reach 1,000 subscribers. I honestly couldn't really imagine that happening when I started this adventure a couple years ago when COVID hit. I started this to allow and help others and be able to show people how to do certain things while working on their car and give them the tools to be able to fix things and modify things that they would like to do on their cars as I have done on mine. So I just want to say thank you. I can't thank you enough. I'm looking forward to the upcoming years and hoping to see the channel grow more and more. I've got some ideas that I would like to do to reach out to a broader audience also, more than just fixing cars. I do still work. I have a full-time job still, so it's not something that I can dedicate 100% of my time to like a lot of other YouTubers, but I would like to get the channel growing even faster, and I really appreciate all those that have joined and allowed the channel to get to the point it is now. Now if I can just get more people to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit those like buttons more, and allow the channel to get to the next phase, that would be awesome. So, but once again, hey, thank you very much, and I hope everybody has a very wonderful Thanksgiving with family and friends, and I look forward to new and further adventures. Thank you very much, guys. We'll see you down the road.